What's going on, guys? It's your boy Julius back at it with another exclusive video, man. And today again I got my KTM here, 2012 KTM 500, and I'm gonna be getting rid of these ugly mirrors that they come with stock. These ugly bunny ears that sit up here, just ugly mirrors. It's finally gone. Anyway, I went ahead and ordered the Doubletake Trail Mirrors. These are the small mirrors that go on the handlebar, so I'm gonna go ahead and be installing those. I'm not sure how usable they are. I do like the usability of the bunny ear mirrors, even on sport bikes and stuff. I actually use my mirrors a lot, so I do like the usability of them. But on this bike, unfortunately, I just think they are ugly. So I want to try something different. I'll put a link in the description below for these mirrors. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them on the bike. It's an easy install. So for those of you out there that are tool illiterate, don't even worry. All you need is zip ties. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the bike and take it for a ride and let you know what I think about them and if they are usable. So let's go ahead and get to the install. So this is the Doubletake mirror here. It looks like it has a little bit of a roundness to it. That way it gives me a little bit more view behind me. And this is the hole that you see there. All you got to do really is put this on the handlebar like so. You take the supplied zip tie and you just slip it through here. And it actually comes with a few zip ties. It actually comes with 2 zip ties each mirror. That way if you mess up, you can cut it off. You want to miss the wires, make sure you're not snagging any wires. Just go under them, make sure it's only wrapped around the bar. Once you get it in, pull it tight. You don't have to worry about positioning it right now, because even when it is tight, you still can position it, but it is pretty snug on the bar. So once you get it in position, it won't move. So it's pretty snug right there. I'm not sure if that's the position that I'm gonna keep it in. I'm gonna have to take it for a ride to see for sure, but it's pretty snug. It doesn't really move easily, but if I need to, I can put some pressure behind it and make it move. So I think that's gonna be my desired position on the bar. As far as up and down, I'm not sure. What I'll have to do is repeat this on the other side and then go for a ride. So let me repeat this. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's pretty simple. Like I said, I'll repeat it on the other side and be back with you in a sec. So this is what the final install looks like. Very simple. Like I said, you just zip tie it onto the bars. You zip tie very tight so there's no movement. It's actually on there pretty good. And I'm actually surprised just sitting on the bike that I can actually see pretty good behind me. I can see Project F150 on my right, and I can see this other car on my left. I'm actually surprised. So we'll see what it's like in the real world. I'm gonna put my gear on and take it for a spin, so I will let you know what it's really like. But so far, so good. So let's go for a ride. All right, guys, so here I am riding down the street. I wanted to go ahead and test the Doubletake mirrors here. I got the Doubletake Trail Mirrors, which are the small ones that mount on the handlebars. So far, I am actually pleased with the product. It's kind of a learning curve because I'm so used to looking at the mirrors that stick up. So having to look down and under my arm, it's a little bit of a learning curve, but overall, it's not too bad. Once you get used to having to look there, it's not too bad. The actual field of view from the mirror is very usable. That truck that just passed me, I can see that truck in my mirror, and it pops up in my peripheral before it even is off the mirror. So overall, the field of view is very usable on both sides. So I'm very pleased with this product, guys. I will go ahead and put a link in the description to these Doubletake Trail Mirrors below, so go ahead and check them out. They do have other mirrors that you can also check out, but for 50 bucks, and I mean, they're in the handlebar, so now I don't have to worry about breaking my mirrors if I drop the bike, which we all know I do drop the bike. So overall, I'm very pleased with this product, man, and I will keep these on the bike for a while. So thanks again for watching, man. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe to the channel, check out some of my old content, and stay tuned for future content. I've got Project KTM on the channel. I got Project F150 on the channel. I got a couple projects coming up. So I know I say it all the time, but I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you next time. Y'all have a good one.